Hello, this is Vijay Sandhu, your teacher and your mentor in your UPSC journey. Today we are talking about very important topic, that is cyclone. In geography, cyclone is very important topic, but we will discuss about the consequences of cyclone, its formation, everything about these cyclones. First of all, cyclic movement of air is known as cyclone. These are the centers of low atmospheric pressure. If there is low pressure and outward high pressure, it means the winds always blow from high pressure to low pressure. And in the impact of Coriolis force, they start revolving in this type in cyclic manner. And simply there is a basic concern that in northern hemisphere and in southern hemisphere, in northern hemisphere the cyclic movement it is anti-clockwise. But if we talk about the southern hemisphere, it is clockwise. These are basic things. And we know cyclones are of two types. One is tropical and second is temperate. And if you talk about the tropical, they are 5 degree to 30 degree in both the hemispheres, and in temperate they are generally found in between 30 to 60 degree in both the hemispheres. If we talk about the India according to the latitudinal distribution, India is the country which lies in both type of climatic zones. In upper type, it is temperate climate, but in southern side, it is tropical climate. Because expansion of India is from 8 degree 4 minute north to here 37 degree 6 minute north. And according to the latitudinal distribution, South India, it is highly affected by tropical cyclones. Here also. But in North India, there is temperate cyclones. Okay. Generally, tropical cyclones are more dangerous, or you can say they cause enormous damage. But if we talk about the temperate one, they are beneficial for India because they cause the winter rainfall. That's why they are good. But here we are talking about the disastrous nature of tropical cyclones, how they actually affect India. In India, Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, both are affected by tropical cyclones. Generally, there are two seasons. There is October, November and April, May. Okay. When there is formation of tropical cyclone in Bay of Bengal or Arabian Sea, what are the consequences? Actually, they are the pressures, they are the centers of low pressure. And they collect all the, or they attract all the winds towards their central point. When cyclones take place, there is huge amount of rainfall over the coastal areas, because tropical cyclones can affect the coastal areas only. They don't affect the interior parts. There is good amount of rainfall or more rainfall. But if we talk about the central parts, so less rainfall is received by the central areas if there is formation of cyclone in the Bay of Bengal or Arabian Sea. So you can see if there is cyclones, there is pre-monsoon shower. And this pre-monsoon shower is known by different names: cherry blossom, coffee shower, and there is Boro Chilai, Kal Basak in different parts of India. Okay, so sometimes they causes flood also. So in the coastal areas, they causes huge destruction. But in interior parts, they are also disastrous because least amount of rainfall is received. It results into a weak monsoon. Okay. But if we talk about the naming of these cyclones, actually there is a pattern in disaster management also. If we discuss, there is a group of 13 countries, and all of these countries are Indian Ocean countries. They suggested 13 names each. The total number of cyclones are 169. Recently, in 2026, there were cyclone named as Ditwa. Ditwa name was given by Yemen. Last time there were Viprajoy. It was suggested by Bangladesh. So similarly, there are different type of names. They are different. They are suggested by different countries. They are on row and column side of things. Okay. But main problem or main concept is that if cyclone occur, what will happen? Pre-monsoon shower in coastal areas, but there could be a delayed monsoon in the interior parts or least amount of rainfall in these parts. So cyclones are some type of, you can say, disaster type of nature, because on coastal areas they cause flood, so there is no role of them. Questions, there can be questions in your prelims and mains also. What is the impact of cyclones in coastal areas, and or the in on Indian monsoon? For on Indian monsoon, they generally result in weak monsoon in interior parts. Okay, that's it. Thank you.